You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name. This is a famous name. This is famous for being the name of a popular French singer. She's excellent. If you want to learn more French, stay tuned to the video and to the channel. In French in France, it is pronounced as Zazie. That's your French pronunciation here. Zazie. In English, you can say it as Zazie. Yes, the E is completely silent, so don't worry about it. It's not Zazie or Zazie. Zazie. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.